My name is ShivKumar Venkateswaran, the Chief Human Resources Officer of Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. I would like to tell my story. I was detected with aortic stenosis about 2 years back, and at that time it was between mild and moderate, and was advised to take care of my lifestyle and also do my periodic medical checkups. So in case I would need a valve replacement, they would advise. But during the course of my busy work life and commitments at the institute and other places where I do teach and work, I realized that I had missed my annual checkup, and that came at a very important blow to me. And I was admitted to Apollo with breathlessness symptoms, and the doctor was a very good friend of mine and also recommended highly Dr. B. Ramesh, the cardiologist, and I was immediately admitted to the emergency section where they realized that it was aortic stenosis and I would need a valve replacement. Then my journey began here. I spent a total of close to 25 nights, I would call, at Apollo Hospital. I was diagnosed with a left ventricle kind of a failure, and I was supposed to be operated to replace the aortic valve. I was referred to cardiac surgeon, which is Dr. Sathyaki, and I was told that the valve replacement needs to be done. There are 3-4 different types of valve replacement is what he said. Then they thought of operating me through a procedure called TAVR, which is Transcatheter Aortic Valve Replacement. The doctors here, the nursing staff, the catering, the counselors, everybody, all of them supported me, took very good care of me.
He was advised TAVR. TAVR is transcutaneous aortic valve replacement. This is a new modality of treatment for sick patients with aortic stenosis. Here the real indication was severe LV dysfunction. This went on very smoothly, and we were able to complete the transcutaneous aortic valve replacement within 1 hour 30 minutes time, and there was no complication whatsoever. He has recovered remarkably after the procedure. His LV function has improved dramatically. Now the ejection fraction is about 45 to 50%, and he is totally symptom free, is totally back to normal, and I am very happy that we were able to help him and bring him back to normal life with this new modality of treatment, that is TAVR.
It is a rebirth. Thanks to Apollo, thanks to the doctors, and thanks to all the people here. I am alive here talking to you, able to work back to my work, slowly picking up my threads. I feel extremely grateful to all the support which everybody gave here. Thank you so much.